In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Following that, hit Edit button right next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!